Now we're going to do a TIG weld on this piece. Show you that.
I've had to come to accept what I'm going through. It's upstage, it's nothing. It's been a really emotional journey, but thankfully I'm kind of completely able to stop. I'm going to be so relaxed with
Easy as that. Finished result should come out looking something like this. Max even tires. Be it for now.